I'm Kyle Goodrich, an applications engineer here at Snaptron. Recently, we've partnered with SnapMagic to host all of our switch libraries on SnapMagic's website. And today I'm going to walk you through how you would import these switch libraries into your EDA software. And today I'll be working in KiCad. All right, let's get started. Looking at our website, we'll pretend that you've selected your switch here, and you typically go through that by clicking on the Products tab, Standard Domes. Today we'll be looking at the S series. In particular, we'll be looking at the SG12450N. So if you plug that part number into SnapMagic search and press enter, you'll find that part pulls up. And when you click on the part page itself, you'll see the footprint and the symbol. Go ahead and click download footprint to whatever EDA software you're using. Go ahead and open your downloads folder, extract, and into that exact folder that you're in. You'll see in that folder that you have the footprint, the symbol, and a how to import instruction README file as well. To get this into your EDA software, you'll open that up and you'll go to Symbol Editor. You'll go to Preferences, Manage Symbol Libraries, click on the little folder icon, and you'll see that KiCad_sim file right there. Go ahead and open it and press OK. And you'll see that symbol has been imported into your libraries there. You can clean up some of the text in here before moving on. But for the next step, what we'll be doing is we'll be going into the footprint editor. When you get in the footprint editor, we'll do a very similar process where you go to Preferences, Manage Footprint Libraries, click on the little folder icon. All you have to do now is select that extracted folder in your downloads folder, click OK again, and then you'll see you have that footprint now in your EDA software. Just as an example, I'll be placing this switch footprint into a PCB project. So you'll go to Place, and then you'll click Place Footprint, press OK, and then plop it in wherever you need it. And that's it. And as an example, what we'll do is we'll open up a PCB project that I have, and then we'll add that recently imported library directly into this project, and you'll see how easy it is. And that's it. With Snaptron's verified footprints and symbols in SnapMagic, it's never been easier to integrate our tactile dome switches into your project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.